The Intelligent Forward Collision Warning, or I-FCW system, automatically turns on each time the ignition switch is placed in the on position. It can help alert the driver when there is sudden braking of a second vehicle traveling in front of the vehicle directly ahead in the same lane. The system uses a sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to those vehicles traveling ahead of you. If there is a potential risk of a forward collision, the system warns the driver by blinking the vehicle ahead detection indicator and sounding an alert. The system operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, then Emergency Braking to toggle the system on or off. Turning the system off will also disable the automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system. This warning light will illuminate. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, this indicator and/or this warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to resume normal system operation. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.